Now, another story that we're tracking here, of course, is Whirlpool. Whirlpool shares in focus. They're selling off here in the early going right out of the chute. That follows a major profit warning last night after the close of trading. The company slashed revenue and EPS guidance for the remainder of the year. The home appliances maker also missed third quarter earnings estimates on the top and bottom lines. And Brad, this magnitude of this earnings warning from Whirlpool is pretty striking here. You know, they're taking their adjusted earnings outlook to about $19. They were at almost $24 just a couple months ago. And 3 months ago, look, we talked to Jim Peters, the CFO of Whirlpool. To me, at the time, I made a note that Jim sounds a little more cautious on the business than what I have heard from him in the past. And look, now we're having the company come out here and warn. Did not like that their inventories seem to be, I think, running a little bit higher than they would like compared to their sales declines.
Well, we previewed this coming into this earnings season, too, when we said here on the desk and in some of our own conversations about where we might see slashes in guidance as a result of some of the macro trends that companies like Whirlpool are seeing, companies like Snap, as we were talking about, are seeing. And then within that, for Whirlpool especially, when you have so much of your inventory that is reliant on making it into new construction build outs and the construction and the home builder confidence, and even in some of the construction confidence, if you see that wane as we had for an extended period of time, especially in home builder confidence, that's going to directly impact the company in Whirlpool as well here. And so that slash in guidance, perhaps to be expected. It's a question of how they continue to weather and structurally improve themselves and position themselves to navigate the current environment and really look through to see some of the long-term demand. And that's just what they discussed in this earnings release as well here too.
And let's tie all this together. What is a Whirlpool appliance? It is a big ticket purchase you normally put on a credit card. And those rates are now going up thanks to the efforts of the Federal Reserve.